Hi guys, we going to UTC clinic.
UTC Unit Transformasi Bandar, the rural transformation complex. Here on the right side. We just use motorcycle because easy for us to park our motorcycle.
Okay guys, nasa Karamat Mall tayo. UTC.
This location is nearby to LRT, so easy access for Malaysian people to go for this unit of this called City Transformation Center. Before, this is a village, and then they transform become something like this for the convenience of people of Malaysia. Come. Sige na.
Mga sarado pa yung mga ano dito. Kasi umaga pa lang, umaga pa. Dito ang ano. Okay guys, nandito na tayo. Okay, off na natin video.